How to fix Messenger missing chat history sync now option. So if you want to fix the Messenger missing chat history sync now option, then what you need to do is first open up your Messenger, go with the upper left which has that 3-bar icon, go with settings which is on the upper right, scroll down, go with privacy and safety, and then go with end-to-end encrypted chats, go with message storage, and here you need to set the pin. Once you set the pin, then you need to simply turn on your secure storage, and once you turn it on, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then, or if you don't have that option, then you need to simply open up your Play Store, go with search, and search for Messenger. Once you search, if you have any updates under your Messenger, then simply go and update your Messenger application. Once you've updated, you can open up your Messenger and you can simply go and search for that option and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to simply restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, tap and hold on to your Messenger, go with the app info, scroll down, go with storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Messenger missing chat history sync now option not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.